Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 16th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Virgo, I have a channel message for you. So last night I was smelling, I'll tell you what I smell. No, this is not a scent. This is actually a, hold on. I was smelling the belly of a puppy. Don't ask me, okay? So I was smelling the belly of a puppy, and it smelled like mums. I know moms don't have a smell, but I'm getting somebody at moms, or I'm getting I'll catch moms. Okay, so young puppies have weak immune system, which makes them vulnerable to health problems. Most puppies are required a deworming treatment shortly after birth, as some parasites may be passed from their mothers. Puppies can also get parasites through food and water from environments. But me smell the stomach of a puppy last night. Me getting you have a new puppy? No, me not gonna lie. Me don't know if the puppy was inbred. Cause me know, don't ask me how me know this. When you make dogs who are family members inbred, the puppy them come out smelling a certain way. I don't know if you know this. When you make brothers and sisters, dogs have sex together and then reproduce puppies, usually the puppies are very, very sick. That's why the litter die. Because they're not supposed to mix. Even dogs are supposed to mix brother and sister too. The genes them come out weak. Sometimes them come out underweight, right? But I'm also getting something about moms. So I don't know if, again, the dog caught something, the puppy. But I in my bed last night, I'm smell the belly of the puppy. I remember even when we were younger and dogs in our community would have babies and we would go and look because there was so much puppies around here. They would have a certain scent. And the scent would have usually been which dog they had sex with. If it's a dog that was close to them in family relation, the puppies would have come out with a certain scent. Either way, me getting mums. You'll get mums, me getting something gonna swell up here, so your jaw gonna swell up. So be careful if you're touching a newborn puppy and the puppy not vaccinated, or the puppy, me don't know what the parents was, me getting you need to be careful, you'll catch mums. Me don't know if a mums is a real word to call it, I don't remember what it is, but that is when your lymph nodes are gonna swell up. Because now there's a bacterial infection inside of you. Your lymph nodes, you have 2 here, 2 underneath your arms, you have 2 in your groin area, you have lymph nodes everywhere, and they will drain type of liquids in the system and then help you to fight off immune system and help antibodies do what they need to do. Okay, great. So yes, that's what I'm getting. I'm getting somebody will get mums, or somebody have big swollen lymph nodes. I'm getting it swell up, your face swell up. It look like it's swole the fuck up. Me getting you touch an animal that something happened to the animal. The animal needs to go to the vet or something like that, okay? Yeah. Anyways, we're going into your reading, alright? Where is it? I think I messed it up. Anywhere I've been. Wait. No, is it this? Where is it? Oh, there we go. That's all. Let's go into your reading. All right. Let's go, Virgo. So let's see. What lesson do you need to learn from this breakup, Virgo? I don't know if there's a dog in the middle of some breakup. You want to take the dog. Somebody else want the dog. Oh, my God. Meanwhile, you're fucking these women and leaving them with babies. But you're fighting over who take the fucking animal. Yeah, you know why they fight over who take the animal? You ever see the relationship with the couple and they're like, they left with the dog. Yeah, because the dog is tied to one owner. So you say, who leave with the dog? Them leave as the so-called owner. So if you do one man and you get one dog and he take the dog and left, that's because you're the bitch. You're the dog. You're the pet. He's your owner. That's why. And when you see some girl left and take the dog and the man's like, how could you take my fucking dog? Because you're her bitch. She took your dog. They use a dog as which one to control. You don't know that? In a relationship, when a couple have one dog, one of them is the dog. One of them is the dog. You don't never know that. Okay, so what lessons do you need to learn from this breakup? We have the Queen of Swords. I'm getting learning to defend yourself, learn to stand up for yourself, learn that no matter what happens, somebody might call you schizophrenic, because that's what men use to throw off women's emotions. Them call you mad, them call you schizophrenic, they can call you all bag of things, right? But me getting you know the truth though. Them a call you mad because you know who them having sex with. Them say you're schizophrenic because you seen the text messages in them phone. You just never tell them. So I'm getting you need to learn to stand up for yourself. I'm getting you're scared to stand up for yourself because you don't want to offend the guy or the girl you're with, because then you're going to have a problem. I want problems, not peace. Okay? So I'm getting stand up for yourself. Even if you're offended, I'm not saying for girl and a pick on your love of your life. But I'm getting, even if it offends them, you have to say it to them, it's the truth. So learn to stand up for yourself. And don't just silence up or shut the fuck up because this man is over you and you're so, oh my God, I don't want him to see me as non-cooperative. Do you think Harriet Tubman was cooperative when she was releasing the slaves to freedom? What can you do to find peace right now? You have a star card. I'm getting focus on you. I'm getting, this is your time to start a YouTube channel, Virgo. I don't know where I waste this time on. I'm getting a need to start a YouTube channel and I talk about your things, all the relationships you went through. Maybe you went through a marriage. Maybe you were with a man for 7 years and a one relationship you were in. Okay, I'm getting a need to start talk about that. People want to hear your story. Because I'm getting, not only are you a strong communicator, but I'm getting you can relate to the people. Aquarius is here, okay? So how you gonna find peace? You're gonna find peace by I'm getting like a makeover. You're gonna find peace by, baby, you're gonna go back to the gym, you're gonna lose weight. You start buying nicer smelling things, perfume. When you do your body, like I find excitement when I come out of the shower and I have the nice lotion them I'll buy and body things them I'll buy and I just lay up. It feels very beautiful. It make you feel beautiful for just rubbing lotion on you what you did like. Rubbing nice. I'm sure the lotion now. Only thing said is, only thing I am here is what you think. What do I? What do I do with that blame? What do I? What do I? Lotion. Have it? Oh, sit here, right. So when you're on this vibe. Is it Yes? Oh, this is not a paid promotion. This is Yes Studio. Like a lotion like this. Smells so good at Berry Blast, right? As somebody, a nice old lady buy it for me, right? She buy it and give me. Smells so good. When you do this as a girl and you do this and a lotion up yourself and you do this as a girl and you just smell how yourself smell pretty and you just say, who for bed me for go lay down in right now? Because I smell too good. You lotion up yourself and you put in your roll a little thing and you just in your bed so. Like a nice, well-kept woman. That is how you find peace. Start take care of yourself. Go there, go buy the little exfoliating thing. Go there, go buy the St. Ives stuff. Go buy the Yes Studio thing. I not let me use it on my face too. And my face smooth. On my face I use it on. I know you're not supposed to use it. You don't really use things for your body on your face, but it was that the sensitivity of it don't bother your face. Musical facial moisturizer. I don't even buy moisturizer for my face right now. And for all those who keep saying I can't answer that question right now. It's the middle of the month. Okay? So yeah, that's what you're going to do to find your peace back. You're going to invest in taking care of yourself. Now, how can you forgive yourself and your ex for what has happened to you? You're the Four of Wands. I'm getting you had to relocate. Maybe so did your ex. Maybe somebody had to move out while one person stayed and it was unfair. Me getting, you just forgive us. Me getting that's what hurt you the most. The fact you had to move, you had to leave, you had to relocate, you had to find somewhere else to live. Or maybe you and this person shared a home. You have to sell the home. Or maybe this was something about you were working from home, somebody wasn't, and it was a problem. When would you be ready for your next relationship? We have the Fool card. I'm getting you're not necessarily looking for a relationship right now. I'm getting you're going to be ready once you feel like you have enough things. Me getting you don't want a relationship when you don't have nothing. You don't even have shoes to go out on a date. So you don't want a relationship. Or I'm getting that's not what you're looking at. Right now you're just free here, being pretty, living your life after all what happened, and whatever comes your way that seems of value, you will take it. But I'm getting you ain't living with no man again. Something like that. And how can you prepare for your other relationship, your next relationship? We have the Knight of Swords. Okay, so I'm getting be wary because I'm getting you're gonna break up with somebody, you're gonna get extremely beautiful because you're gonna take care of yourself, or you're just gonna love yourself more, and it's just going to be like oozing out of you. And I'm getting because of that, it's going to attract a lot of men to come towards you and want to date you. I'm getting don't pay none of them no mind. You can say hi, you can entertain a conversation, not give none of them your number. Cause I'm getting one is a line of man and wait up now, waiting on you now. You see, when you're in a relationship and a man broke you down and you did not heal yourself properly, but you look for another love, you're gonna be the one like, yeah, can I have a relationship? Yeah, okay, I don't want to, okay. You're now the giver. Because you're gonna give anything for your relationship now. Now, you see, if you're the type of person who you left a relationship and you did heal yourself, you did level up, that means every man that start to want to follow you down. They don't even care who you fuck, how much fucking you did do, or what time of the night you working. Them not care, them are running down now. Because they might say, oh, that girl here look, okay. If she could have done with a man and never broke her or mash her up, then, okay, she can play a ball. Okay, cool. Let me try my luck. Let me try my luck for either mash her up or let me try my luck. When you always come out hotter and hotter and hotter after a breakup, that's when you notice the dear man in your DM. And you just have, I saw you side the man them. Matrix. So me aside the man them. I love you. So you have decided. I have to cite all but one. But one. I have to cite all but one. Anyways, right? So I'm getting that is why, because you take care of yourself. The man who you were with, he never break you. You're not out on the day to talk about, you know what this man did to me 9 months ago? No, you are stronger, you are more halal. So I'm getting that is why. So no relationships right now. I'm getting man admire you from afar, and unless they want to commit to you, don't give them time of day. Men giving you attention on the street is no more than getting a like on a fucking picture. Unless them actually giving you something, believe me, they're likes on a picture. You should know that. And every man will get attention if you take. And every rich man if you talk to either. It ain't every motherfucking energy good is energy. And how can you prepare for your next relationship? Oh, I did that already. How are you going to prepare? You're going to prepare by knowing that people are going to try to catch you off guard. Then I'm going to say, come make up on a coffee date, and then I'm going to bring you somewhere where everybody there to try to claim you. Because you're a star now. Or apparently, you were using your experiences to motivate other women. And now you're a big shit now. And every man want to come in, so now they can be the one for you to say, now, after every single thing I've been through, this has been the one person who really stuck by my side. And I'm just glad that he was here with me right now, and thank you so much for showing that I can love again. What do you want to say to the people? But you think that somebody want? They want to be on the platform, saying that they're the one who define the odds of you starting a platform talking about the experience you've been through with men. And how man will want you to dress down for them want you to dress uglier for them, right? I'll tell you, they will talk about men and women, but nobody no more controlling than a man in a relationship. Can you tell a lie? Nobody more controlling than me. I am not controlling. I never control you. You can do what you want to do. You can hang out with who you want to hang out. No bitches, but you can hang out with who you want to hang out. You want to play PS6 from 5 p.m. to 6 a.m.? Go ahead. I have no problem. But I will not be disrespected with bitches. No bitches. As long as there's no bitches, you can be free for do whatever you want. You're free to go out with the boys. But if you why don't I have sex? No. Like, what the fuck do you think this is? This ain't no bilingual, bisexual, bicycle shit. The fuck you thought this was? Sweetie, I'm bilingual, not bisexual. I don't know who's telling you I'm bisexual. No. J'aime homme. Oui. Je t'aime. J'aime homme. La figure. Les yeux. the knee, the dick, like all the things. Just like, je t'aime l'homme. Anyways, j'aime l'homme. Okay, let's get some of these and we're gonna eat over here. So no woman is more wanted than a woman who leveled up. $1 million baby. You leveled up on these lying. We have pictures and videos. I've sold my soul and use protection. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.